Hi, speech students. I just want to make sure you know how to access Microsoft Teams. So here we go. When you go in, it's the same place you go to get your Allegheny College of Maryland email, right? So when you click into 365, or sorry, when you log in, don't go to your email. Come on over here to Teams, and when you click on Teams, it'll open up for you. It's going to open slowly. I already have a window open. Then you will see over here to the left a list of all of your courses. That is if an instructor set it up. You'll have a couple of things there. I just went ahead and clicked on my 930 Flex course because it's a streaming course and we already have some things in here. Okay, so this is what it'll look like for you. When I post or leave messages, you will get alerts that I have left messages on there. This is also where you will go for a streaming class, which I'm going to do live, and also where you will go when you sign up for a speech. All right, so one important thing to remember is log in a little early for your first streaming class, which I'm going to set up a time this week actually for streaming classes. And right here, see that app symbol, download app right here? You're going to have to do that in whatever device you're planning on listening to a live class. Now, when you log in for a live class, you do not have to be on camera, okay? You do not have to have your microphone on. As a matter of fact, I would prefer you didn't have your microphone on so we don't get barking dogs, children running around, people sneezing and coughing in the background, all that kind of stuff. However, if you have questions, no problem using the chat or using or saying, excuse me, if you have a question, I will have the chat open. I am also, with this video link, sending a calendar for what to expect coming up. So really, we were luckily heading into all of our projects, so we don't need to worry about a lot of lecturing so much. Okay? All right, so let me show you. I think I can show you what a video will look like. Let me open one up. Yeah, so, and then let's say you don't log in for the streaming class. You could always come in and watch the recording. But you notice I had to open it. Okay, so I need to go, I title it, whatever the lecture or the discussion is going to be. And you'll notice I had to open it by hitting the reply section. Okay? All right, so please email your questions to me, and if you're having any challenges with Teams, but so far I haven't had anyone have any problems downloading the app to their cell phones, to their tablets, their home computers. I haven't had anyone have any issues. Okay? All right. I know this is going to be kind of crazy, but I'm really looking forward to seeing you all. Hopefully this week I'll see you streaming or know you're present. Take care.